Welcome back to this week's episode of the Weekly Walkthrough, where each week I feature a home or a property that I think is a great opportunity. Today's home is located in historic Litchfield Park, Arizona. It was built in 1981, but just underwent a huge remodel, all of the electrical, plumbing, completely redone. It's on almost a half an acre. It's right on hole 10 of the Wigwam Resort Gold Golf Course. They have 3 courses there at the Wigwam. They have a red course, a blue course. This is on the gold course, and it is offered at just under $1.5 million. I think you're really gonna love this home. If this is your first time to my channel, or if you're someone that has been following along now for a little while when I launched this channel back in January and you haven't yet subscribed, please take a second today to subscribe to my channel so that I can reach more people. More people will see this video and be able to find their dream home. Let's get started. This home is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It's 3,697 square feet. As I mentioned before, it's on almost a quarter of an acre. Everything is remodeled. We've got these gorgeous quartz countertops, these beautiful gold accent fixtures, convenient little prep sink behind me. No expense spared. Brand new cabinets in here. I love this hideaway feature here. This is not your typical fix and flip home that we can see sometimes. This is lovingly renovated and it is simply gorgeous. I love the fireplace in the family room and also in the primary suite. So let's take a look around this gorgeous home. So here's what I love about this home. Right in the heart of quaint old Litchfield, just a 3-square-mile town, you are right on the Wigwam golf course. Homes like this don't come up very often. You're on the Gold Course, 3 courses here. You are on the Gold Course, the 10th hole. So you have gorgeous views. Also, you are really close to the Wigwam Resort, which has a beautiful restaurant called Litchfield's, and you are also super close to my favorite restaurant, Old Pueblo, which is just down the street. You are also close to shopping and schools and healthcare here. That is all located right inside this 3 square miles. You have your healthcare, you have elementary schools, middle schools right outside of it. You even have a high school just outside this 3 square mile radius, and then also a junior college, which is right down the street. You have those big stores for your grocery and pharmacy and all of those things that are just outside the 3 square miles. So super conveniently located, really close to that I-10 freeway and also the Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport. Additionally, Luke Air Force Base is about 8 miles from here. Also, if you're into spring training or sports, we have that Glendale Entertainment Sports District area where we have our State Farm Stadium and where all of our sports are held. There's lots of malls and shopping and restaurants in that area as well, and that's just 16 miles from here. I believe this is hole 10 on, as I mentioned, the Gold Course. You've got your beautiful sparkling pool, newly refinished deck here, fire pit for those cold nights that I promise we get, privacy from your neighbor here. The area of Litchfield Park is just over 3 square miles, so this quaint, super quaint little town was originally settled by California citrus growers in 1908 and later bought up by Goodyear Tire Company so that they could farm cotton for use in their rubber tires. It's just 2 miles north of I-10 freeway, so great freeway access here. You are 16 miles west of Phoenix Sky Harbor, so really close to that as well. When you come into Litchfield Park, it's just like a resort town. You've got palm trees everywhere, but this is just super private, really gorgeous. You can open all of these windows up to your Arizona room. It's all screened in, so this whole area can be open out here as you're enjoying your fireplace. Thanks for joining me today in this week's episode of the Weekly Walkthrough. I hope you love this home as much as I did. My name is Michelle Seymour, and I am an Arizona realtor that covers the area west of Phoenix, also known as the West Valley. And I get phone calls every day from people just like you that are thinking about making the move here to Arizona. So if that's you and you're thinking about moving in the next day, week, or even month from now, please reach out, send me an email, drop me a text, give me a phone call, and I'd be more than happy to help. Also, if you loved this home today and maybe you'd like to come and see it in person, please reach out and I would love to take you through it. Lastly, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. It really does help me reach more people that are looking for their dream home here in Arizona. So until next time, thanks for joining me today.